bought these Cushionaire Lane Cork sandals for myself and for my daughters. These are the taupe vegan suede color. Gives you a good idea what it is. One daughter has the rose and one daughter has the white, and all of them hold up equally as good. They are very, very nice. They're sturdy and they're priced right, but they hold up. So I have been wearing these for a couple weeks on vacation, and I wanted to wash them before I actually did a review on them because I wanted to know how they held up. So I literally put these in the washing machine yesterday on gentle, no fabric softener, and they came out absolutely perfect. I dried them in the sun. I am a size 9. They are true to fit. I like that you could adjust the double buckle, customizing the width. They are definitely comfortable and supportive. The genuine suede footbed molds nicely to your feet, and it does provide very good arch support. The bottom has the EVA outsole, and it's a good grip and enough bounce for walking and casual day use. I really like these, and my daughters like the ones that they have as well. So the final verdict, would I repurchase? Because this is the first time that I did buy a Cushionaire product. The answer is yes, I definitely would repurchase. They're a solid option for comfort and walking, especially if you like the Cork style sandals. You know what though, I really didn't get these wet. I wouldn't wear them in the rain. They're better dry, they're better on light days. I love them, and I highly recommend. Very, very nice.